Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a spotlight on one of nature's finest offerings, the Bergamot Seeds by Monarda & Company. If you're looking to enhance your garden with vibrant colors and attract native pollinators, stay tuned, because this might just be the perfect addition for you. These bergamot seeds are not your average garden variety. Known for their stunning pink flowers and pungent minty aroma, they're more than just a pretty face in your garden bed. With over 2,300 seeds per pack, this product promises to bring life and flavor to your outdoor space. Let's talk specifics. These seeds are GMO-free and neonicotinoid-free, ensuring a safe environment for pollinators. Ideal for both culinary use and garden aesthetics, the bergamot plant thrives in sunny to partially shaded areas with well-drained soil. Now, cultivating these beauties isn't rocket science, but a little know-how goes a long way. For best results, plant them in rich soil under the sun, and watch them flourish from summer into early fall. Their resilience against various soil types, sandy, clay, or loam, makes them a versatile addition to any garden. As a licensed California nursery since 1985, Monarda & Company brings decades of expertise to your doorstep. Their commitment to quality and sustainability shines through in every seed packet, supporting local businesses while enhancing your garden's biodiversity. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these bergamot seeds from Monarda & Company offer a delightful blend of beauty and functionality. From attracting hummingbirds to brewing your own herbal tea, the possibilities are endless. If you're ready to elevate your garden with the best wild bergamot seeds on the market, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!